Now we have our Consef design contest. We have received around 200 pieces of artwork from various schools. We chose up to 10 finalists and awarded them with gift cards. There are top 2 winners, and they both will receive a $250 check, as you can see. Please join me in welcoming Yunus Uslu, Creative Director at Consef Schools, to give the awards. He gets all the music too. All right, so our senior division is placed on the booklet. And our senior division's winner was Vivian Alexander from GSA Filer. Now, Vivian was not able to make it with us today. I feel like we're at the Emmys. She was not able to make it with us today, but she will receive her gift card, or her check that's that big. Our design contest winner, junior division, Lola Alejandra Villarreal from GSA Filer. Please come to the stage. You're able to see her lovely piece of artwork on the back of the Consef t-shirts. Round of applause, y'all.